everybody, this is me Divyansh. We are developing a game on Godot 4.4 version. Here it is. So we are into development of Armencia. I have already developed some basic characteristics of 2D character or 2D character. Here it is. Actually, this is the complete abstract downloaded from itch.io. Sproutland. I have downloaded it from cupnoodle.itch.io. So I will give you guys link of this as a pack in the description. Soon we will change we will design the complete our own sprites. Just for some basic development I was using this as a pack. I hope I'm audible after this. Just let me check. Just let me check. I have downloaded it from cupnoodle.itch.io. I'm barely audible. Okay, we will not use the sound. Can we just lower the volume?
Yeah.
Okay. I think this much is enough. Oh, okay. Wait. What we can do is this. I think now I'll be audible enough. And if I just turn this a little low, now it is good, right? Now it's cool. Oh. So I have downloaded it from here, from that cupnoodle.itch.io. I'll give you a link of this as a pack in description. Can we edit it right now? Okay, here we are. Okay, cool. No make external links possible. Just complete a one-time verification. Okay, we will need a verification. Okay, I'll provide you this link after the live stream. Okay. I just need some verification stuff. After that, we can share this with you. Okay, let's leave it behind. Currently, what we have done is that we have a little map here, and all this will be generated randomly, like when we move. No, we generate the land of 3x3 chunks, and the stones are being placed randomly. Now what we need is that variations of these stones. As you can see here, we have small stones as well. Okay. As you can see, we have different variation of stones and some wood blocks and more. So we want them as well to be generated randomly and placed here. Okay, so what we need is that I'm completely new. I haven't mentioned this. I'm completely new to game development, so I'm learning it from ChatGPT and YouTube video tutorials, and there I got the code of this complete random generation. Although I'm learning, so I'm like coding myself only, but just from like how to get that idea that what we are doing here. I know what we are doing here, but how to approach this, I need some approach. So I'm using ChatGPT here, and this is the procedural chunk generation stuff. Okay, I will shift this to this monitor, and now let's go. I think the sound is still too much loud. No, that's enough. Okay. Now what we were doing is that let me see what we were doing. Okay. Currently, I can't read my chat here. Live stream chats. Okay. Now I'll be able to read my chats as well while doing this. Okay. 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 So right here, what we need to do is that create a complete list of different variations of stones. Uh, Actually, ChatGPT, what ChatGPT is doing now, it is telling us that we can do here. What we can do here is that mention the name of the tile stone, and out of it gave us code of like set cell. Okay. So what it is doing, recently Godot has updated and it is not accepting a complete tile map. Like if you search right here, tile map, it is depreciated, as you can see. This class is marked as deprecated, and ChatGPT is suggesting a code for tile map, not for type map layer. And we are using tile map layer here, so we need to make some changes in the code. So what it says is that set cell. Hmm. The game generations tile map randomly placed. I told it, you know what just happened? It placed. Okay. I think it's placing stones every after 20%. Blah, blah, blah. So here is the proof that I always ask it, that what this line is actually functioning. I'm searching for some stuff like how to place random variations. I asked it, no? So it must be right. Like, no, 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 no. This is player movement script. No, 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 no. Okay, here it is. We need a complete list of stone types. How many types of stone do we have? And then place a script right here. And use a pick random function which will automatically pick any one element from this list, and it will be like what do we say that it will be stored in this stone type variable. Okay, so we need a list here, and we need a list here of these atlas coordinates, because as I said, that code ChatGPT is suggesting is about tile map node, which is deprecated. So we need to make some changes. We need a var. Is this right? Is this even a word? Collidable objects. I would like to call collidable objects, and it will be like I'll provide you an array. Okay. Oh, I accidentally pressed this. Group expression. It comma one and 2 comma 1. What's the issue? following expression. What? Okay, what if we do this? Vector to I. Okay, it's not allowed. Cannot find member, pick random and basic. Oh, issue is here. Uh, not pick. Oh, okay, okay, cool. Pick a random. Fine, fine. So what we need to do here is just change this by collidable objects. Okay. Now before doing this, I'd like to check ground elements. Or ground elements are, here are our ground elements. Okay. So first of all, let's move to tile set. Okay. Zoom no. This is our 8.1. Source ID is 1, right? Source ID is 1 and 8.1, and this is 7.1. We need to change this to 7.1. Now it will pick random any one of the stone, either this or this. Also just add I'll copy this. Copy, then paste, then paste, then paste. Okay, one. This is 6.1, 6.1. It is 5.1, and this is okay 5.1 done. What do we need to do is okay 50. Same thing with zeros. Remove this. All of them with zeros. I will do. I hope this should work now. Let's play our game. Okay, it is already generating over these mushrooms and leaves as well. Small stones, mushrooms, leaves, big stones, small stones. Okay, we also need those wood blocks, no? We need those wood blocks. Okay. Wait. I'll 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 be back. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Now we were focusing on this 5 2, 4 2, and 3 2. Okay, 5 2. um, 5 2, 4 2, 3 2. 5 2, 4 2, 3 2. Okay, I think it would work perfectly. No, it should work perfectly. Save and while running. Okay. So Homa, I asked her to watch stream. Only text I got is that so wrong. Okay. It is also generating these woodblocks and these are collidable. I think mushrooms are not collidable, so we can't just say that collidable objects, right? We will be cutting these and eating them. Can we say harvesting them? No, can't harvest mushrooms. Well, it is generating automatically complete land and all the variations of woodblocks and stones. So yeah, pretty good. Now and also we what we want to do is that while setting these ground cells, we will need some different types of ground. No. Mm, okay. Just copy it and paste it again and empty this array. What? Okay. Calm down, calm down. Ground patches. Ah, grass patches. Yeah, we also do have some grass patches here, and this like these ones. Ah, ah. So here we go. We need to print them like randomly. So we'll just do this. Copy, paste, and we'll say grass patches. Okay, like pick anything from here. 0556. Copy. Can we use that for I in range? No, that will be sequencing all those, no? So 052 0506. No, 051525354555. Okay. paste, paste. Okay, we're going like 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. No one's on stream. Why am I screaming then? Okay. Anyways, now what we just need to do is okay. There's one more. Perfect. Okay. Copy all. Paste all. Need to do is here 5 6. Change this 5 to 6 everywhere. Okay, save. Now let's run and check. No, it isn't generating. Oh, okay. It's only generating below these ground elements because of the seed. Okay. It will be only generating that. Then there only. Then what should we do? Huh. I think random and random integers should work. This is random float. Okay, and rand I would be random integer. Okay, perfect. How will we be able to ground section? Not here, not here. It should. Okay, wait. I think. Now it would show us this. Okay. Now we need some trees as well. Okay. Now this is all those collidable objects. Like we cannot pass through them. Okay. Perfect. And now we want some trees. But the problem is that as these trees are like 4 cells, right now we were just giving it a 1 cell data that this is the complete atlas point. Place it randomly. But now what we need to do is this. We cannot just place it randomly. Huh. Now we need a tile position. If we are okay. What we can do is that in collidable objects only, we will provide it this. a collidable object is tree, this coordinate 0 1. If collidable objects equal 0 1, then we will make some changes in tile position and place this as well just right above it. Okay, I think we will do it like let's look for this. And also I want some colliding here. How do we make it compatible? To make it and no, we make it in this only, no? Property editor, that index terrains. No, not terrains. Probability, no, not probability. Z index, modulate, texture, origin, physics layer. Physics layer, right. There we go. We need this, and what we want here is that let's just zoom in. It to be collided just here only. Just limited to this log. Okay. Log. Oh, cool. Should be something like this. Perfect. Now let's see if it works or not. This is 0 1, right? So in collidable objects we will add a vector zero 1 and add one more if statement. If collidable objects equal vector 2i 0 comma 1, then what we need to do is this. What's the issue here? Adding that much. Copy. First of all, simply do this, and one more. We'll make some changes in tile position. So how we were storing tile position is this: vector 2i int start x. Okay, so this is the start position, and this is the x position, and this is y position. Wait. We will need this. Complete this. Copy and replace it by this. And -1. And here we will place this vector 2i 0 comma 0. Right, so it will print the complete tree, but I think this is going like too much. Like we don't need to code this much. There must be some shortcut, right? Let's run. Let's check first, is it working or not. Okay, it's placing trees correctly, and I hope this is collidable. Like, okay, this is collidable, and okay. okay, wait. Why can't we go behind the tree? Y sort is enabled, right? In ground elements, so 2D. These are the ground elements. Uh, I need this. Let's place a tree right here. Why isn't it going behind the tree? Game level Y sort is enabled, no? So it should go behind the tree. Point is this. Okay, let's check this thing as well. What if we just go right here and move a little? No, nowhere we can. Okay, trees are generating here as well, and we cannot go behind this. Okay, so what I was thinking is that if this is the very style map, I think every element will be having its own like origin, no? Tile set rendering, collision enabled. Okay, what we just make this Y sort as well. Tile map Y sort, it's Y sort enabled. Under ordering, Y sort is not wasn't enabled. Okay, I think now it should work. Nah, not yet. Ground elements, we have ordering. Y sort enabled. Run. Okay. Somehow it worked. That it already above it, but not. Do we need to enable it everywhere, like player cat as well? Oh please. Tile map enabled, ground ordering enabled, ground enabled, hill enabled. Oh, forget hill. Wait. What I think is that is this because we have player cat z index 0? You know, this is -1. Let's make everything 0 once. Ground 0, hill 0, and we have ordering Y sort enabled everywhere, right? Even player cat. Let's check it now. Okay. I think we shouldn't have enabled it on like, on tiles. It is working on each and every tile. Every tile is like overlapping our player. So let's remove from player. Remove from ground at least. It's gonna work. No, not yet. It's hell. Okay, on ground it isn't overlapping on our player, and we can go behind trees and come in front of trees, and we need to disable it on hill as well, right? On hill, we need to disable Y sort, and as this tree is overlapping our ground elements are also generating on it. Okay. Hmm. How do we change this? How to change it like this point? I want it here. Uh, how can we change it? Haircut. Offset, right? Not centered. I don't want it to be centered. I want my cat to be placed like this. I think this is perfect for my cat. No, 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 not at all. Our offset should move down, no? Oh, no. What we can do is this. Keep the offset here. Move the collision up a little bit. Is it perfect? Let's save and run the game once. Run it once. Okay, so how it interacts is that we can go behind trees. We can come in front of trees. No, we can't even come in front of trees as well. Why this, buddy? Well, we have completely down. Yee. Game started and why is it so much irritating? It's like we can either we can go in front or we can go in back. I think we need trees as our components, not like tile sets being printed on map. I think we need our trees as components. Right. Just a minute. Now it will run, no? Okay, it's going behind. It's coming in front. But the only issue is here that it is counting it as an individual tile. So we need an offset of this complete tree. Okay, we will need trees as our TSCN scenes. Okay. Let's remove these trees from the game level script and remove trees. Let's keep it simple. Okay, as it was, and remove trees from here as well. Let's check once everything is working as it was, or why is it still printing tree? Okay. Tree was printed by me only to the game level. ground elements now. Okay. Now everything is fine. Where it will go, it will generate generating things like grass patches and everything, whatever. It is a complete open world. Wherever we want to go, we can go. Now we want trees, and trees will be used as our scenes. Okay. I think now we don't need this, no? Complete pre-generated script. Are we generating hills as well? No, no. What if we just remove everything? Go to ground elements, remove all those ground elements. Go to hill, remove this hill. Now save it. Whenever you run it, no, it will generate everything automatically. Okay, I think this is a lot cooler. And stop this Y-sort enabled everywhere. We don't want Y-sort enabled. We don't want. Okay. Okay, child. Okay, it is removed from child by itself only. No, it wasn't. From player cat as well. From ordering. Remove this. Game level will have it, then player cat. We have it enabled on game level, right? Cat is always above these. I think let's move to tile sets and change some collision and locks. Where are those locks? Locks are here, right? Grass cells, no, locks are here only. Oh, here it is. I got blinded because color blind. Okay, let's load this and not like this. I want locks to be collided halfway, right? Below this point, it will be origin. So cat can hide this much behind the tree. This is the boundary. Okay, cool. So this, and behind this, it will be like collidable. Cool. And so go a little closer only. Not so many changes. Now, as game level says, can we hide behind these blocks? No, we are standing over it. So we need our tile map. No, not tile map, or player cat to enable Y-sort. That wherever it will move, it will automatically not this. Also in ground elements. Restart. So now it will move behind. Oh! What do you think what will happen? Okay, behind this it is going behind the tree, coming in front of tree, and perfect. Is it perfect? Is it perfect? Perfect. Behind this log, front of this log, front of this log, and behind of this. Like this. Okay, we have tested all three variants of this log, and behind mushrooms, in front of mushrooms. It is not. Actually, we need the offset of this cat on the bottom of its legs, no? So I think we will set the offset of these cats below on the foots. So let's move this cat like right here, and also collision here. Save, load, and now if we check, it's like this. Oh, good enough. Perfect. What about leaves? Good enough. Behind these blocks. Perfect. Perfect. No. Okay, nice. Working on even this pixel distance. Okay, now it is perfect. Not so perfect, but it's perfect. Can we change this centering thing of these tile sets as well? No, 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 no. Let it be there only. Like if we choose this log. Ah, we have. Okay, we have it here. Nice. Uh, how can we move it? How to move these like origins? Texture origin. Exactly. Mm, no idea. How to create alternative tiles here? Hold control to create multiple tiles. Okay, let me Google it. How can we create the multiple tiles? How to change offset of any texture in tile sets. Try drawing offset. To change the offset of any texture in tile sets, you can adjust drawing offset in pixels, which is applied when rendering any tile from tile sets. This can be useful to align your tiles to the grid properly, right? Exactly. Now what I want to do is that to move the offset below. No. Hmm. 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 Uh, this is disabled. This exact function is disabled. I can't make any changes. The origin to use for drawing tile, this can be used to visually offset the tile compared to the base tile. Okay, let's forget this. Forget this. And forget the concept of this as well. Sort enabled no. Voice sort enabled no. Ground elements enabled no. Let's run the game. Just standing on it. Ah, this is so irritating. Collidable objects need some complete collision. You can't just set the collision on half. Let's close the style sets and run the game once. Now what we are doing is that now we don't have any collisions with this. We can run over grasses. Just happened. Oh, voice. I think voice art is enabled in this tile map. No. Ground. No. Ground elements. Hill. Player character. No. What happened with this? No issue on bottom. Why is it hiding behind this? Is it coming back ever? Okay, it is hitting collisions. It's never gonna come above it. Okay, every chunk which is being loaded has its own this. That means we need. Oh, okay. That's why we were using this. Now I got it. Minus one z index. Minus one. And this as well. Minus one. Okay. Save. Now, as we are using z index, it'll now go behind that because its index is 0. So ground is always less than player. Oh, cool. And the best thing is that as we are using a fixed seed, as you can see here, we have a complete map seed which is making random values as fixed values, so it is not creating any issue. Okay, cool. Now what we need is that trees. Other node, what do we use? Not tile map. We'll be using what we are using. Ah, static body. Static. As it is not moving anywhere, so we'll be using static body. And this says node has no shape, so it can't collide or interact with other objects. Consider adding collision shape 2D or collision polygon 2D as a child to define its shape. So first of all, let's rename it to tree and add a child node name sprite 2D and give it some texture. Wait, I'll be texture must be here. Have this texture, crop it. We need 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 9 9 is the perfect number. Vertical frames are 3. Okay, so here we have our tree, and what we want is that sprite 2D to be placed like this, a little up, and this is good. So a player, when Y-sort will be enabled, no, so a player won't be crossing this offset from behind, and the collision will be right here. And we also need a collision shape. It should be Control A, collision shape 2D, perfect, and rectangle shape here around this oak log. I think this much is good, this much from below. So when the collision is limited till here, so it won't even cross this. Okay. Tree, and tree will be stored in art. No. In back, character levels and Control N. These will be objects. Tree. Okay. Actually, I should have named it object. Should have named it tree 1. No, because we have many variations. So this is our tree, and let's move to game level. Script and add. Actually, what do we need to add? I need to check that another learning program which was Action RPG. This is also a program which I've learned from a YouTube tutorial where it told us that how can we import the complete top-down game development on Godot. Uh, what I was searching for is that how to import these jungle bush extends and then complete. No, how will we? This is a bush. Static body. And the static body has some collision. Let's move to bush scene. Do we have any script for bush? No script. Just have this bush and actually I want it to be again generated randomly and not to be placed. Okay. So I haven't done anything yet which is similar to, which is randomly generating a complete scene. Okay, I think we should move to ChatGPT once again. ChatGPT, where are you, buddy? Here it is. Okay, so we have ChatGPT here. Okay, so now what we are doing is that we want some trees which are actually scenes having some offset, that we want some trees which are actually offset and I want them to be generated randomly as well in our world. What can we do? Tile web to place them like tiles. Instead, you'll need instantiate tree scenes as nodes and add them to your game world. Prepare tree scene completed. Add sprite to be done. Collisions to shape to be done. Save it as tree done. Modify your generate chunk. Randomly decide to place a tree. Low probability. Example 5% per tile. Okay. Set its position properly, accounting for offsets added to game world. Modify your generate chunk function like this. Huh. Okay, exactly. Preload. I think we have used this preload in that action RPG. Okay, let's leave. Forget it. But I've already used this preload function, which is actually loading tree scene and generate chunk while generating chunk. This is the same code. Chunk size, wild tile position, set cell tile. Okay, already been done. Here is the main code. Variable tree scene. Okay, we have created an instance of our tree scene here and tree.position. How we have done this? I didn't get this. Position correctly before adding it to the game. Okay, so we have set position tile position जो हमारी थी 32 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, यानी क्यों किया हमने 32 at this position. 32 the tile size. No, we have 16 as our tile size. We have created an instance of a tree. Okay, cool. What is this dot position doing? It is actually fetching the position now. Okay. As we are using assign operator, so it is assigning the position of our tree as our tile position into 32. So why we are multiplying tile position by 32? As tile position is already settled, no? As what we are doing here, same thing. This 32 is just position 32 is tile size at the world. Okay, let's try this once. Let's try this once. Operate completely. No? Use space character for ending instead of tab as used before in the file. Oh, bro. We can't copy codes here. Okay. Happy. Happy. A tree scene not declared. Wait, buddy, wait. How about the tree scene preload function? Okay. Just after this. Okay, it brings double inverted commas by it only. Okay, I think it's no, change it to 16 as or tile size is 16. No? If random integer mod by 20 equal 0, so it's like 20, 100 or 20 out of 100, it will be 5%. Cool. What is this purplish kind of thing? Game is being laggy. Okay, as it is generating too many scenes. Okay, so frames are dropping. So for let's reduce the chance random integer mod by 5. So it is less than 5. Wait, what just happened? Is it setting it to the 2% chance of generation? Okay. A bit less laggy as there are not so many trees. Let's set it to 75. That all laggy and our that Y-sort enabled is working perfectly. But what is this purple thing in trees? Is it in scene only? No, it's not in scene. It's happening. I don't get it. Instantiate tree position, tile position into 16. What if we generate it on 8? It's gonna be here. Okay, 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 okay. There's so many trees. Oh, okay, okay. I'm getting it, getting it. What it is doing is that it is actually doing half of the position. So the area was very less. Even now, I think there's so many trees. It should be around 80, 80. Okay. Still laggy. Comment this complete out. Look how smooth it is right now. No, still it is like dropping so many frames. What's happening here is no that it is creating so many instances because of them. I think it is being so much laggy. Okay, but it is working. Only thing is we need to check here is this tree sprite 2D to go to the 2D shape. What was that purple thing right here in game? What is this? What is this? Hmm. No, it is completing till the last line. No, till here it is purple. What is this? I don't. Okay, there is something. There is something. Okay, what it is? It is actually some like shadow thing. No, it is a shadow, but in game it is being like completely opaque, not leaving it transparent. So even if you go in game level and we drag and drop tree scene right here, is it still acting like shadow or oh here it is working as shadow, but as we are creating instances it is not acting, those are not acting like shadows. Why? Why is this so? Won't act like shadows in this. uh Instantiate, is there any other way? What if we preload the complete tree here? Okay, okay, okay. Invalid assignment already key position with value type affected or 2i. Actually do this. Instantiate it right here. Rerun. Why instances are like opaque? They're not acting like proper sprites. Why, buddy? Why? Why is it so? I think there's one more way to do this, which is like control that control. Let's undo all those. Okay, and what we can do here is that to go to 2D, bring a tree scene right here, and as you already have this tree, in game level, what we can do is remove this, go to at on ready variable tree scene $, and we do have tree here, right? We do have game level tree, and now we have tree scene as well. Now it will instantiate this scene here and I think it should work now. It should work now. No, invalid call, non-existent functions instantiate and static body 2D. Okay, let's provide it to let's get to ChatGPT and ask what we can do here if we are trying to make it like this. I want to tree. Already present in the game level rather than reloading it later. We need to duplicate the existing tree. Exactly, we need to duplicate. Can we duplicate tracing? No. There was already a function named duplicate. Okay, cool. No, I don't need any more things. You just need to duplicate it. All the function will be done. 16 at salary, everything is same. Instantiate is used for packed scene, which is a separate .tscn. Exactly, that's what Godot told me. Since tree-scene is already in the level, you need to duplicate to copy it. Duplicate preserves properties, collision, and children. For the enhancement, adjust the random probability for denser and sparser trees. Use the tree-scene duplicate. Deep duplication. What is deep duplication? Now trees will be copied from level. Use duplicate to use instancing. So let's run it once. This is using shadows, but this isn't. Let's remove and how to use those deep duplicate use. Okay. Use instantiation. It is instancing, not instantiation. Okay. Rewind everything. Okay. Okay, let's see whether ChatGPT gives us some solution or not. The issue is likely caused because the canvas items modulate or material setting of Sprite 2D. Here's how to fix it. Check modulate in Sprite 2D. When you instance scene in code, sometimes modulate properties get overwritten. Open your tree scene, select Sprite 2D. In the inspector, scroll to canvas item modulate. Ensure that alpha value to 0.5 desired transparency. Tree scene Sprite 2D. Um, Canvas item. I can't see any canvas item option here, right? Modulate. Alpha visibility would be modulate here. Bro, please. Canvas item. No. Material. New canvas item material. That's what I was thinking. Sprite 2D. Everything else that was the texture, none. Material. New material. New canvas item material. New canvas item material done. Click on the material and enable it. Okay. I have to click on this. Okay, it is enabled. And then transparent on. Light only. Light mode. Light only. Huh? No, it is not affected by lights. Still not reapply the texture. So it just brightly remove the texture, re-add the center transparency settings again. Okay, let's run it once. No, we still have those purple things. It's just that blend mode, no? Pre-multiplied alpha makes and light mode unshaded. Let's see what happens if we set it as unshaded. Now there still we have same issue, but if we set it to light only and instantiate the trees disappeared, and again if we set it to normal particles animation, save, load the scene, and again same show, sprite 2D, particles animation, remove outer resources, local to scene, run. Okay, same show, sprite. This is like use parent material. Use parent material. No, how it is being used? Use the same material. What if we make it one? Run it. I think we should generate our trees by ourselves only. Or what we can do is that open it in a sprite. Okay, enough of this work. Time to use our own textures. The best thing is that we can go behind trees. We can come not in front of trees. What? Why? No. Game level just had a voice art enabled tree. Delete this tree. Okay. And what we are doing, game level. Save, go to script. We are preloading the tree scene. And in tree scene, we have voice art enabled. No, we don't have voice art enabled here. This might be the problem. I don't want this. No. Okay, please. Right now it was working perfectly. What happened now? No, it's not even in front of. Not even a single pixel. Not even a single pixel. Voice art is enabled, no? No, this is like literally so much frustrating. I can't even enable voice art. Perfect, no? No. In game level. there anything we did wrong? We have our players insert right here. So if it is below the tree, it should overlap, but no. Going behind trees. Okay, coming in front. Okay. Getting your point. It is because of what we have done in trees, no? Here it is our trees, in our trees. We changed its ordering. That's why it was like completely overlapping our cat. Gotcha. There was someone was on stream. Someone came on stream. But okay, fine. Now in player cat, what we can do is where is our player? Where is our player? I think we should keep it like this. Collision shape, just a pixel. Is it now perfect to move around trees?
Okay.
Still. No. What we need to do is that move trees offset is just a little bit up. Okay. Collide it before touching the offset on and you can be as you were before. Nothing to undo. Okay. Now what will happen is that this and still trees offset is I think here, some about here, and our cat offset is here. What's the issue, buddy? What's the issue? Trees offset is here, no? Let's run the game. Now see, trees offset is here. That means some around here. Then we will move. Oh, cat's offset is here. Player cat. No, player cat. Select player cat. Bro, the amount of this game is lagging right now. Offset, why is it going behind? Lagging so much. This is because of those instances. Okay. Forget about textures, no? Textures. Remove shadows. Can you help me in making my game less laggy as we are using trees as our scene instances because of the so many instances being generated. My game is lagging a lot. Okay. So yes, since your instance is a large number of trees, then open mode performance dropping due to exercise not processing. Here's how to optimize the game and making it use a visibility system. Only process nearby trees instead of keeping all trees active. Only show and process those near the player. Go not accessibility, not required. booty can help. To so the tree should stay active. Screen entered, screen exited signal. Okay. I don't know about this. Convert trees into tiles in your tile set and place them in the tile map. If a tree needs interaction like cutting and placing the tile with the scene dynamically only. I think this would be a good option. What there is also some options. Let's read them. Use an object pool. Recycle trees instead of instancing. Uh, Create a tree pool. A script that stores unused trees. The tree is far from the pair. Store it in the pool instead of deleting. The tree is needed. Take it from the pool instead of creating a new one. What? Like we are using a tree pool list and get tree. Get tree if tree pool size is greater than 0. It is obviously not written. Written preloader. Okay. Like it's like we have 5 trees. We will be storing those 5 trees in the list, and it will instantiate. Okay. To be honest, I'm completely exhausted. I think I need a break. And small things like this take so much time. Yet I don't have any viewers. Still, I'm taking this much time. If it would be like interacting with viewers, that would have taken days to me. Okay. Feeling sleepy. I think I should take a break. How much time is it? It's been around 1 hour 42 minutes. Reduce collision complexity or use an object. I would go this option convert. To go replace tree with tile map. How can we do this? Please explain. थोड़ा सा समझा दो. Using a tile map for trees instead of an in the inspector, click on tile set, new tile set, click on the tile source, then click add texture and select the tree texture. Set region to select the tree sprite. Click add tile to add the texture to the tile set. Now your trees are part of tile map. Cool, very cool. I don't want to randomly place 200 trees. I want it to be like place wherever the player visits. There's no limited map at the map height. It's an open world. Add tree collisions. Optional. Add collision to trees and tile sets. And what if we want to like cut those trees? How will we be cutting those trees later on? No, can we remove? Oh, as we are using set cell, there must be some function like remove cell. So it might help us to remove those trees. So that means if we remove those trees before removing, it will detect a hitbox. But how can we write script for a tile set? Like if we have scene, we can write a script for a scene. I think we can use coordinates. We can use coordinates like tile position. If the player position and tile position, the distance between player position and tile position is this much, and if it moves its axe around that tile, the tile must be removed and replaced by grass and drop an item of wood. Oh, that's gonna like very lengthy process. How we will be able to cut down those trees using axe by player? Will it be possible? Obviously, it is possible. We know it is possible, but let's see if it provides a better approach. I'll be able to cut down trees. Yes, you can make trees cuttable by the player using an axe. How can we do it? Detect when the player hits a tree with an axe, move the tree tile from the optionally dropped wood items. Exactly. Detect axe collision. Add this code to detect tree chopping when the player clicks or swings the axe. Chop tree. When to chop tree. If event is action, press chop. Bind this to the key like E or mouse click chop tree. Okay. Then player exactly. This is doing the same thing that players. What is the position of player? And tile map dot local to map global position. Okay. For X in range, tile map dot local to map. Wait, what? It is using a tile map. Drag and drop the tile map node here. Okay. Tree tile ID of the tree, axe damage radius. How close you need? Okay, cool. This is using that distance. This is the code of add this code to detect tree chopping when the player clicks. Player dot okay. That's why I was thinking like how will we be able to detect the position of player? We haven't included our player entity here. So it is already we are writing in player.gds. So okay, fine. Var player tile position tile map. Okay. For X in range. Negative. Okay, okay. It is what it is doing is that taking from behind to the front and a complete circle. So minus, let's say its radius is 1. Okay, okay. From minus 1 to minus 1 plus 0, 0. Minus 1 to 2. A little from behind and more to the front. And next, same thing with the y. So it will be like chopping any wood in diagonal directions where target tile, player tile position dot x plus x is that okay, the distance of x, player tile position dot y plus y. Check if the tile is a tree, if tile map dot get till source id. Okay, target tile. Okay, from here we can check whether the hitted tile is tree or not. Target tile tree tile dot id underscore id tile map dot erase cell 0. What is this 0? It's source id. Okay, target tile, remove the tree tile, spawn wood. Oh no, what no will be this will be doing? Wood scene, preload wood tsc and create a wood pickup item scene wood instantiate wood instance dot global position tile map to local position get back. Okay, now I got it. Yay! This is how can we do it. It gave us a complete code instant. It is doing actually the same thing what I already told you guys, that we'll be calculating the distance between player's axe position and the targeted tile. So whether if it is a tree, so it will just chop down that tree and we will get the wood log. Okay, fine. Let's go. If we have done this, no, we will need a new inventory system. So that's again gonna take some time. I think I will end the stream around 6. Around 6. So yes, we have 1 hour. 1 hour 20 minutes. 1 hour and 20 minutes. Okay. Add a tile. Add trees to a tile set. So first of all, let's move to a sprite and forget this tree scene. Delete it. We don't need tree scene. Okay. Not in objects folder. Remove this as well. Go to script. Undo that all those preload tree and everything. Yes. Now remove all this random integers. That's why we say never like believe ChatGPT blindly, because it's not sure that it will give you the exact correct code. Control Shift Z. Okay, fine. Let's check that whether our game is running peacefully without those trees or not. Okay, okay, fine. Cool. Everything is fine now. It isn't lagging anymore. So yes. Okay. Now let's turn it off for some time and move to a sprite. Open file system installation. No, this is that. Where do we have that Sprouts Land basic pack objects? Tree. Where is tree? Here is our tree. Open. Perfect. Now go to C. Erase all this. Remove all this. Okay. C. Extend it like around 64. No, 32. Oh, it still stores those information. Control Z Z. Wait, let me erase everything now. let's take marquee, mark this, move it to the center, like here. Fine, and let's move to C. Okay, zoom in, select this. I want our offset to be around here, and erase this first of all. Irritated, this is so much irritating. Cool, cool, save. Wait, I just I saved it in that basic dark objects. I needed it to. Okay, all those extra trees and stones will might be removed. I think what I've done is that I already have that game dev. No, no, no. Here is our Armencia project. Nah, this is not that folder. We have that game backup, so we have those files. But still, Armencia project. No, that is not that folder. Okay, let's say go dot first. Do we have those files? I think no, I didn't forget. It's still here. It's still here. Where are those big stones? Why doesn't generating those big stones? Hey, buddy. Okay. You didn't just choose those big stones. No, I literally got a heart attack. Why it isn't generating? Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. Okay, cool. Now what we need is that those tile sets. Okay. We want this tree. We want this tree. So we will be importing control new. No, not a new scene. New folder. And it will be the folder of objects. As we have objects here. Import. Is there any import option? Okay. Okay, we have a separate folder named game on our desktop. Game. Oh. Oh, thank God. Everything is safe. Here we have objects and we need one more folder from where we will be picking Sprouts land. Objects. Here we have tree. Control plus copy and control plus paste. Okay. Fine. Cool. Now let's move to Godot. Here we have this basic tree. Okay. Now as ChatGPT told us that we need create a tile page, open existing tile map or create a new tile map node. Sorry, we cannot create tile maps. We can create tile map layers instead. So we will be using a tilemap here called trees. In the instructor, click on tiles at new tiles. In the instructor, click on tiles at new tiles. In the inspector, click. Just repeating that line again and again. Dated. Add child node. No. Go to tile node. Add child node. Tile map layer. And we will rename it to trees. Direction to position. What if we set its position to 0 0? And if it starts from here, no. Is there any issue? No, no. Why we are using this? Use this only now. This is how it starts from coordinates 0 0. What if we simply say position? Oh, it will get position by itself only. Okay, nice. Let's run it once. So we'll always will be having coordinates where our cat is. Okay. So why it is like printing coordinates infinitely? I want it only when it moves or slides. Because it is under physics process, not any if input direction input. We need here if velocity we can write this code and state when state as walk, state machine here we can write that sat print position. So now we'll have position whenever a player is moving. Okay, so it's not printing any like coordinate, but when we'll move it will be printing. So our currently our position is 8 0, position is 170, 0 our coordinates. So this is printing. And one more thing, this position printed like this. X says this position dot x, y says position dot y. Okay, so now they're gonna print us like x and y. And also one more thing is that position dot x, we want floor of this, floor it, floor this as well, floor position y. So 136, now perfect. It's minus 7293. Do we need to print it on screen? So we'll be knowing our coordinates where we are moving, right? Update this on screen. How we will update this on screen? Oh wait, firstly we were working on trees, no? How can we certainly move to this? Though this is a good concept that we will always know our coordinates and where in map we are actually. Like where was our home, we can note down our coordinates. As in Minecraft we do that. We have our coordinates of our home, so it is easy. Okay. Okay, cool. Hmm. And also do one thing is that string location. This is your complete string location. Copy, paste. Expected end of statement after identifier instead. Okay, we can do here is the string. It will simply, I think, convert this to string. No? Please help me. as we were used to do in C. Yes, exactly. Okay. String photo. This is more understood. Now we will be simply printing position location and where prev location equal location, and here we will give it a condition if previous location is not equal to current location, then only print the statement, otherwise just where it is. Cool, understood. Oh, nice. So it doesn't print same values again. Okay, move back to 0, 0. Oh, wait. Here we are back to okay. One more thing, that what we want is that position should be multiplied divided by 16. No, position should be divided by 16. So we have a position of just one tile. I don't want every pixel to be calculated. Floor them here only. Control X, Control paste. Okay. So now what we will have is that we won't calculate it right here. Hey, why is it printing if it is the same string as previous one? No, this is being stored in location. If previous location, what is our previous location? Previous location is not okay. So it will work only for the first time. Okay. No, it is not. Still, itself not working. What just happened here is that let's say location is 2, and it has 0. Not equal. Printed 2. They both are 2. Then I want it outside. Okay. I want an else statement. क्यों आजकल मेरी कम ख्वाब ज़्यादा है पता का कोई किधर है. What what does debugger say is the variable prep location was used before being assigned a value. And that's what I was thinking. Let's set its value as same as this. Okay. Do we still have any issues? No? Okay. So previous location, current location, both were same. Okay. Again, what's happening is that as we are updating this value, being control X, we should have created this variable outside. So it won't have given any issue to us. Okay, I hope it will work now. So it will be like 0 1. Just now the coordinates has changed. If we just roam in this tile, there is no issue. And as soon as we went to another tile 0 0, it updated again. So it will be only updating these tiles when we are changing our position, or when we are changing our tile position. Okay, now it's working. I don't know how I came up to this all coordinate system. How to, okay, whatever. Okay. Yo. Oh, I'm sleepy. There should be a comma separated value, right? Hmm. Productivity suddenly dropped. All the values will become positive. Let's move back to 0 now. 0 0 0 0 right here. This is the exact place from where we started. Cool. And so now we can keep track of our coordinates as well with the game. Now what we need is that to print these coordinates on the screen. But before that, let's move to trees. Let's move to trees. Okay. We'll go to game level. Forget the cat. Go to game level. Get to this place. And actually, because of this, that's why I got the coordinates that we are sitting in the center. So we should have a. So okay. So we needed to create a new tile set, and after creating new tile set, we need to move here. Atlas scene collection. What we were intended to do is that how tree chopping works, detect axe collision. Before this, we need to add our tree in tile sets. No, open the existing tile map or create a new tile map node. I created a new tile map layer. Create on tile set resource, then add texture added. Wait, what? New tile set. Okay, click on the tile set resource. क्यों आजकल ज़्यादा है तक इरादा है. Control Z. I think we need to get back. Deleted. No. I think I got something. No, don't delete this. Open a sprite once again. Open file. Go to desktop. Game, new game project. We have object, a tree in the objects folder. Right. We need a marquee tool. Select this tree. Move it to the top. Crop the canvas to here, right, exactly, to here, and actually crop it. I don't know what should I do. Like, should I keep it till here? तक कोई नहीं इरादा है क्यों आजकल कम ज़्यादा है कोई इरादा है क्या मुझे प्यार है Okay, so this is dynamic, we can change it instantly. Okay, now what we want is that it's texture origin to move in Y a little lower. Okay, 2, and same for this to move it to the like it was 8 on this, and then 8 plus 2 10. It should be 18 to be placed exactly over this, right? Cool. We have created at in a single tile. Now what we want is that it's just move a little lower. It should be right here. Perfect, easy, kissable. Okay. Now let's move to tile map. Select this tile and place it wherever we want to. Okay. What is the source ID of this tile? Source ID of this tile is source 1. How can it be source 1? Wait, what? I think source 1. Ground elements. This is source 1, no? Move to tile, setup, ID 1. ID here is also 1. Oh, it is one of trees. Okay, so we need to import trees as well here. And we imported this is yeah, okay, we imported ground elements and all. Okay, duplicates, copy paste, and remove this from here and remove this as well. Now get trees. Okay, cool. Got trees. We got trees. Elements has been elements instead of elements. We should name it trees here. We have trees. Now what we need to do is that place trees everywhere. We have its own offset, so we can enable that. We can enable Y sorting. Okay. Okay, before actually randomly generating them here, we can take it from tile map and place like this. Do we have enabled it on? We also do have it enabled, and we also do have. I hope this works, please. Okay, okay, cool. What I think is that I love you, buddy. I love you. Do we have centered enabled here? Transform, rotation, scale. We have it here, no? Okay. So when we are in game, it's happening to this. Get back to this, go to tile set, select this tile set, go to reference, okay, we can move it a little bit more up. And actually what we can do is that create collisions. Go to tile set and just create some collisions. No, it would be a lot easier for us as well. Magical cup become ज़्यादा magical become ज़्यादा है. So yeah, okay, cool. We need to create some physics layer. How do we create it? I just forgot. Collision, go to collision. No. How is it to create collisions? I created it on this, no? Physics, collision enabled. In tile sets. I did something in tile sets, no? Match corners and sides. No, this was for like auto tiling. Physics. Let's just check physics. In trees, go to physics, collision enabled. How was that physics layer created? Within physics layers, no? Go back to trees, in tile sets, physics layers, add element, leave everything as it is. Okay, now when we will move to tile sets, no? We will go to physics layer 0. Now we have it here. Okay, and now what we need is that this. Like this, perfect. I think everything is now set. Let's save this and place it here. Again save it. Move it like this. As you already have trees, now just run and check it. Okay, proper collisions behind trees, in front of trees. Okay, working perfectly. We come in front of trees like this. Perfect. Now it is working good. Also, I think we can add shadows now, right? Do we have a sprite on? No, we don't have a sprite on. game object, right? This one. Let's set transparency to this much and color to black, transparency a more less, like I think this much is good. What if we just do this? Oh, we need to rerun it. Let's move to Godot, run this program. Ew. Literal ew. Okay, remove all this. Transparency to like almost no. What if we just close this code and run this game once again? It will be like too much missing. Has some shade. Ah, pretty good. Pretty good, no? And one more thing, that add some shadows like this, so that tree is actually making those shadows. No, not this, but we can have here. So if we run it now, like lot more shadows in back. That looks. Now we have good shadows. Right. Okay, now I think we can erase all these trees. Erase them and now place them randomly anywhere on the screen using our script. Hope everything, I've done everything. Is there anything pending that I chose that I'll do it later? Occlusion, oh, not touched even. I've made it is collidable. Made collisions, offset is perfectly settled, and select. Okay, cool. Everything is cool. What our next step says is that replace tree scenes with tile maps, delete existing trees already deleted, and now move to third step, randomly generate trees. Okay. Okay, so generate trees for I range. Not, I don't want them to be generated like this. So I'll write my own code. So here, what we'll do is uh, trees.set cell randomly as we are setting. Okay. We will have one more this array. Where trees how trees will be printed. Here in tile set 0 0 no? Source ID is 1 0 0. I know expression after this. So I don't think we need any array because we don't have any random values to set, no? So why not just create a random value? copy paste, enter paste, backspace, make it 0 1 1. So trees will be generated lesser, and it will be vector to I 0, 0, and source ID will be 1 only, and tile position at tile position, instead of elements we'll be using trees, right? So it should work a little different. Okay, so we can generate trees like this and move wherever we want to. I think there are a lot of trees being generated, no? Okay, Y-sort is also working over here. As we can see, there's something behind this. It's an O club. Okay, it's collidable, which is not allowing my player to move further than it. Okay, if they both generate on the same this, I think we cannot move the like offset of that mushroom. No, that creates some problem. I think I'll fix them as well. Fix them as well, but I will do it separately, like personally. Now the next thing we need to do, it's 5:24, so we have half an hour to fix that wood cutting functioning. Create. Should we start this today, or we can do it tomorrow as well? There's no one stream. I already added tree collisions and I don't need all this code. How to tree chopping works will detect when the player hits. Okay. Now this thing should. I think I will need an animation of wood cutting. So I will start this probably tomorrow, because that will be a lot beneficial, because I don't have enough time. I will be just creating animation and I will leave it in half. So we will do this tomorrow. Instead of that, what we can do right now is that we can write these coordinates on the screen. Like we can write it on screen while playing games, so we can like we can check where our player is actually standing. And so to do that, we will need some text layer, right? Do we have any text node? Text edit, a multi-line text editor. It's actually a UI. Let me ask ChatGPT only that how can we do this. Okay, I have my player position in script, but I want to print and able to print on terminal instead. In terminal it to be print on game screen to show so slash player player standing have this UI. Let's see what ChatGPT tells us. Okay, where we were? Add a UI label to the scene and go.scene tree, create a canvas layer. This ensures the UI stays on top. Inside the canvas layer, add a label node. How can we create a canvas layer? How to create a canvas layer? UI elements so that they stay fixed on screen no matter where the camera moves. Your game world. Okay. Player enemies, dialogue, etc. should remain outside the canvas layer. UI elements is like health bars, a text minimap should be okay. So canvas layer is specifically used for fixed content like UI. Main scene, okay, player, tile map, camera, 2D enemies. Canvas layer inside game, position level that shows player's coordinate, health bar, okay. Everything stays as it is. Only UI elements go inside canvas layer. Cool. Okay. Inside the canvas layer, add a label node. You need a label node. Label is added. Name the label to position label. Set the text property to something like as a placeholder. Okay, it will be starting like this. Settings auto wrap mode. How can we change font? Okay, we'll focus it on later. Let's see how can we transfer the code. Okay. And go.scene tree, create a canvas layer that ensures you name the label position label as a placeholder at this position in the inspector rectangle position 1010. Okay. Let's see. Rect position. It should be transformed from dot text. I was searching for this. Yeah, I would like my player to update that the coordinate, no, because that's a part of my player's coordination. So yes. Position label dot next. Position label dot next. Okay. Okay. Let's move to a player cat. Script. Script of a player cat. Okay. Coordinates label. Right. Wait, this was coordinates label. How can we go to this thing? Copy path. Copy node path. Will it be able to fetch this because it is from game level now? Let's see, let's see. I think I should implement this code on game level only, so it will be more easy. Let's see what happens. Exactly, this is what I was trying to use, this dot dot canvas there. It should go like this. Position label. And as I was printing it here, I will update this in chord label. Chord label equal dot text. Location. I was just providing us already our script, so it will be like this process invalid assignment of property or key text with value of type string on a base of type null instance. What? Oh, there's someone. Once run, please. Hi, what type of game is this? Please tell me what type of game is this. Play at once run, please. Okay, so this is a game. I'm making a game. And thank you for reacting. The moment you reacted, I thought something's happening here. So yes, what we are making is that open world game. It's like a 2D Minecraft game. So we are developing that. Thank you so much, Hards. Thank you so much. Okay, let me again get back to my work. So where I was, there's so much party. Yay! Bas karo. It's no one else. It's my brother only who is actually reacting on my stream. Yes, what I was doing is that it is being updated here. No, update text. Is there any issue if I write it like this? There are few potential issues in your script. Incorrect path reference for UI label, chord label. Incorrect path reference means relative to this node, but canvas layer is not inside the player node. If canvas layer is a sibling of player, label won't be found. Okay, correct like this. We need double dot and then, or if it is, it's in main scene, use get node root main scene canvas layer. No. I think I should use this only. Use movement slide before changing animation state. Wait, what's the issue with movement slide? It's working perfectly. It is exactly like that, no? Movement slide the new state. देख रहा हूँ ना? हाँ, पहले 3 लोग आ चुके. Thank you so much for watching my stream. Thank you so much.
तुम्हारे ही फोन से देखना.
मेरे फोन से देख. He is using my phone only to watch my stream only. Okay. Wow. I don't get this. If it's working perfectly, why do I need to change? That's what I'm doing. Move and slide, then new state. Exactly. Update animation called even when not moving. So, wait, let me first do this. It's like this, no? And I rerun the program. There is no UI. No, there's no UI here. The UI passed away.
यही मर गया.
It's not working. Okay, let's forget this for a second. Forget this and run it once. Do we have x0 y0? No. Why don't we have that label with the placeholder what we have given it to? Why can't we see it? we still don't have it here. Let's save this like this and player character script print location, remove all this stuff and just remove it. Remove it. Wait, what is this? I don't know what's that, but children are not selectable. You mean you mean nothing? Are you dumb? What we were doing is that we were creating canvas layer, right? Yeah, I have it right here. No, and if I run it like this. Okay. I get it. But this page still not able to see this. Why? Two. Am I not able to see my those that whatever it is? Bill. It should be right here. Game added. Game level. Added it to canvas layer, which is exactly what under our root node. And what do we call that placeholder text? Text as well. Let's see what it responds. If your label is not visible in game, there are possible reasons to fix the select label node in the scene tree and check position, text position, try setting. There's no rect position. That's what I'm telling. Instead, look for transform property like this position, not position label. Is there any transform property? Horizontal alignment or water are no flip text label. Displayed text lines kept 0 BD. It is wide direction. So layout, it must be in layout inside transform. For its size, position. 0, 0. Position 10 10. It's asking to position 2 10 10. Rotation scale 1. Click on label node scene tree. Top of your board find the layout button. Layout button. Okay. Or any position you want. Okay, ठीक है. One is level is inside canvas. The position is set to 10,10. Font size is increased. Level the size. Canvas layer, full one. ठीक है. And position top left. Let's run it once. Okay. Okay, we have it. We have it here. We have it right here. And go to script. No, player cat script. Control shift C, Control Y, Control Z, 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 Control shift Z, 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 Z. Control label, chord label, chord. Coordinates label and dot slash can okay, fine. Now instead of printing location, we want it in chords label dot text equal location. Now let's see if it works or not. Okay, it's working perfectly. Love you. Thank you. And one more thing, we need to decrease the font size now, as we are already fitting it. Okay, all good. We don't need to change anything else. Let's just check for some fonts. Although I know we can change like label settings, but still I would like to ask, because we are running out of time, we have 5 minutes, I want to change font. If it's still missing, increase the font size in theme override section. Okay, we have some font enable font. New system font. Font sizes. How does it look like? Wait, why? Okay, as it was here, was snapping to the top left position, but when I moved it, it wasn't. So I want it around this much. So it runs perfect. Nice. Instead, we can have it like on 10. 10 is good. 10 is good. Won't disturb much. I'll give you enough. Okay, nice. Now we want to change the font style. We need a font style of like pixelated fonts. Okay, as we have a pixel game, we must use a pixelated font. Mm, how can we change font style of this label? Select the label node in the scene tree, go and inspect the theme, override font, click font, select new dynamic font, click on the newly created dynamic font and expand it. Under the font file, click empty load a .ttf. Okay, we need a .ttf file. You can find font. I know. Second, change font size and style. No, I would like to go with this option, so I will have that pixelify sans. Go to this and actually search for. I think I already have it in my bag, pixelify sans. So yes, let me just visit to my. Okay. This is that one font family selected. I don't want to download all. Save Jersey font. Jersey, right? Extract all. Here we have TTF file. So now what we just need to do is that follow this ChatGPT, whatever it says. Click font, new dynamic font. Inside font, new font file. Okay. Reset empty new font. Load. Okay, we can move that font file here, right? Copy desktop game, new game project, control shift new folder. Fonts we are using for this. Here we have Jersey 10 regular font. Now from here we can pick it open. Okay, cool. Now what we need to do is just increase the font size. 20 is enough. Okay, now let's run. Okay, nice. Now we have a good looking font. I think we need some margin from left. Okay, can we move it like this? If we move it, it might disappear. No, actually we can look at it. Okay. Can we also add some background? Theme, I don't know. Theme override colors, font color, shadow color. Font shadow color, I want some font shadow. Styles. Style box flat out. How does shadow looks like in my font? Let's check. Shadow, no, I don't like shadows. Font outline color. Do we have some outline? Outline size. We font outline color. How does it looks like? Should we keep it? Outlines are like nice. We can reduce some size. Still too big. Should be around 15. Cool. Looking nice. And as it says, it is flickering. Yes, it's flickering. It's actually flickering. Why is it flickering? Is this because of as it place where I no. This, no, we don't have it. When I provided the code, it said, here, if input direction. Slide fixed move and slide box. Oops. Okay, and just pick move and slide from here over here. And the second thing it changed on ready get mode. Okay, one more thing is that if input direction not equal, get animation parameters. Engine ready, update animation parameters. If input direction is not equal, vector 0. Okay, it asks us to, first of all, let's remove this control X, paste over here. This might help, just looking for it. Things are flickering. Still it's flickering. There's no change.
तारीख है 31 अक्टूबर 2001 और जगह है कोड़ई कनाल।
Okay, pretty less flickers now. I don't know how it happened. Automatically it updated. Okay, we are on 0 0. Again on 0 comma 0. This is from where we started. Now the second thing what I want to check is that whether it is like when it is regenerating everything, whether if it is using the same randomness, like trees are placed exactly where they were. Like if we run, no, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 trees in scene. Just see, look at this scene. 3 trees with 2 double grass leaves. Okay, now let's move out of this chunk. Like let's go to the 16 into 3. Like let's go 16 chunks away till 256, negative 256. So we will be like 16 chunks away. Okay, let's move to 256 and come back to again to 0 comma 0 and check whether if the scene is same. So if it is, because we are unloading those chunks, and if we go back, if the chunk is exactly same, so the world is being generated perfectly, or this might create some issues. Okay, we are a lot ahead. We are about 300. So go back to 0 comma 0. Go back to 0 comma 0. It's like बढ़े चलो बढ़े चलो. truly tired. Truly tired. Okay, I'm back to 0, comma 0. So it's exactly same with 3 trees with 2 grass leaves in mid. Okay, cool. I don't think there's any issue if it is working like this. Nice. And one more thing, let me just check it for the settings. In window, let's switch it to 1920 1080 and scale it to 1 only. So the map size will be very big and you'll see it like this. Okay, so this is how chunks load. This is how our chunks load. And if we move away, it's not unloading it. Like, why this chunk is still loaded? They should be erased, no? So if we move away, we want every chunk to be deleted. Right? So this is how a game is working right now. So when we are zoomed in, like currently we are very looking at very broader perspective. If we zoom in, so we won't be able to see this all this ungenerated area. So this is how it loads our chunks. Now here, as we are spawning these trees and oak logs and mushrooms and all this, we will be generating enemies in future videos. So first of all, let's just let this open world being be generated. It stores the memory, and the best thing is that if we see this 1920 by 2 and 1080 by 2, and let it be twice only close. And if we look at this again, we will have the same scene again and again here with 3 trees with 2 this grass leaves, double grass leaves. So what's happening here is that it's loading it according to the seed. What if we change the seed, this map seed, move to game level? Here we have this map seed according to the chunk coordinates. We can actually, as we are using chunk coordinates, what if we use world coordinates? And every time the world loads, so it will have a unique seed which will generate our complete world. So it is pretty much like Minecraft, as we have seeds in Minecraft, which helps us to load the world and generate the world according to that seed. This is exactly how we do it. Okay, so I think that's enough for today, and let's wrap it up all. Tomorrow we will be working on sprites. I think we will be working on sprites as creating more trees and enemies. Now, thank you so much to Sproutlands. I'll mention the Sproutlands link in the description. So if anyone needs, and also in a way of giving credits. So yes, I'll mention it in description later, so you can check it out later. And also thank you so much Sproutlands, the non-copyright music I'm playing. If there's some issue here. P position, what is P position? Oh, sorry. P position is this player position. My bad. Okay, so that's it. Let's end it. Okay, Tata, bye bye. See you very soon. Uh, I think tomorrow I'll be streaming once again. So yeah, bye bye.